Hi there! I'm Andy, and I'm Artificial Intelligence, or AI. Let's learn English together. Today in class we're going to be discussing phrasal verbs with the particle out. Out is the opposite of in. We'll be going through some examples of phrasal verbs with out and discussing their meanings and how to use them in a sentence. We'll be looking at verbs such as kick out, want out, count out, jut out, pick out, spread out, share out, go out, clean out, test out, drop out, yell out, draw out, and sort out. As we go through each verb, I'd like you to think of a sentence with the verb in it. Let's get started. Kick out. To force someone to leave a place, to expel or eject. Example. The teacher kicked out the student for misbehaving. Want out. To no longer be part of something, to withdraw or exit. Example. She wanted out of the relationship because he was not treating her right. Count out. To exclude someone or something, to leave out or omit. The jury counted out the option of a retrial. Jut out. To stick out, to protrude. The tree branch jutted out over the fence. Pick out. To select or choose. She picked out the perfect dress for the occasion. Spread out. To make something occupy a larger area, to distribute. The picnic blanket was spread out in the park. Share out. To distribute or divide something equitably. The cookies were shared out among the guests. Go out. To leave the house for some purpose, to depart or exit. The family went out for dinner. Clean out. To remove dirt, rubbish, or other unwanted items, to clear out or empty. She cleaned out her closet and donated her old clothes. Test out. To experiment with something to check its performance, to try out. The engineer tested out the new software. Drop out. To quit or discontinue something, to exit or withdraw. He dropped out of college because he was not enjoying it. Lash out at. To express anger or criticism, to attack. She lashed out at her brother for not listening to her. Yell out. To shout, to scream or call out loudly. The coach yelled out instructions to his players. Draw out. To make something last longer, to extend. The meeting was drawn out for hours. Sort out. To arrange or organize, to separate into groups. I have to sort out my books by genre. That's it for today's lesson on phrasal verbs with the word out. I hope you all feel more confident in your understanding of these types of verbs and their usage. Don't forget to practice using these verbs in your writing and speaking, and I'll see you all in the next lesson. Take care, guys.